Whoa, jeez. Wave high. Yeah, I'm glad you had fun. So you went on your first off-road ride yesterday?
Yes, I did.
There you go.
I love the mud.
Good.
It was so much fun.
Driver, there you go. Yeah.
So much fun.
We decided to not do the parade this morning with everybody, and Kevin with us has never done any hiking in Hocking Hills. So we decided let's go to the main area, like Old Man's Cave. This weekend things are swamped, absolutely crazy. We just continued on down the road and we found this area that is for rappelling and bouldering and things like that. I wanted to show you guys these rock faces are absolutely gorgeous, so I'm going to get the camera turned around and show you just how beautiful it is up here. So for the people that are looking for a little more extreme stuff, this is going to be your area. I had no idea this stuff existed over here in Hocking Hills. And you can just tell by the ground this doesn't get used nearly as much as a lot of the other areas. With the greenery. Real curious to know if we're going to get up in there and see some people climbing or what we're going to see. Yesterday I did a lot of out of the vehicle spotting and my legs are feeling it today. Yeah, it opens up. This is really cool. Wow. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I think this is where the editor installs music so you don't hear me breathing. Yeah. If you guys are familiar with this spot, maybe you could comment with what this area is. See if I can get you guys a look down the hill. That way down there, that's where we just came from, so that's why I'm out of breath. It's pretty steep getting up here. Put this camera away and just enjoy it. We'll see you guys at the Jeep trails here in a minute. You guys can see people are kind of coming in here. This cruise that goes around the Hocking Hills area on some of the back roads actually ends on this beautiful private property. And back here in the woods, which we'll take you to in a second, after people get up here into this yard up here, this big field, so you see Jeeps parked all over it. They'll get a group picture there and then turn them loose back here in the woods for a couple hours. Beautiful woods. These guys do a great job cutting some trails and marking it out for everybody, saying where they can and can't go, telling them, hey, if you got a 35-inch tire, this is for you, and that type of thing. Porta-johns all over the property. So really well set up. They actually have an RTI ramp down there, it looks like, too.
I highly recommend, and I'll reiterate this, if you do not have an advance label, do not go on the advance trail. It's Paul and Carrie. They're waving to you.
Kevin.
They'll be out on the trails for assistance. They'll help you if you have questions, you get stuck. That's what they're there for, okay? Private property. Charity. The Shaws are wonderful people, and we're blessed to have them as a major sponsor, because nobody gets to do this. This is a blessing.
After they get everybody settled into the field, pretty much everybody disperses like this back into the woods. They've got the trails laid out very good. I'll show you some of the markers. Everybody has been basically given a color based off of the assumed capabilities of the vehicle, such as tire size, lockers, things like that. Now tomorrow, this will be the same property we come to for our Sunday ride. We will meet over at camp at 9:30 in the morning and then come over here till the early afternoon. Gorgeous property, look at this. Did you trail ride?
Hello, man.
Cool, all right. Just kind of like this little creek running down through here. This is a ledge that I've come up before. This is kind of the harder way, is going this way. But I don't want to break anybody. We've had broken drive shafts and stuff on this obstacle. So this is kind of, it's a nice slope here. A couple little ledges. Shouldn't be super bad. We got our long arm locked TJ on 37s. This guy should crawl this no problem. So he said it always takes just one. So his buddy came through. He said, all right, I'm doing it now. His buddy's saying, all right, you're doing it, I'm doing it. So here we go. This dude's gonna hit this doing about 20. He slowed down.
No mechanical sympathy.
Perfect. In. I don't think I got it on this camera, but he got stuck there a minute ago. Yeah, go better than that. Yeah, buddy.
Piece of cake.
Called limb riser. So as you go through the woods, it lifts the trees off your windshields. Perfect. I think we got all these guys' confidence up yesterday on our trail ride. Open diffin'. He's not in four-wheel drive. Heard the four-wheel drive click and it might be easier this time. Last time he was here, he had his XJ and he broke his rear drive shaft, so he was a little nervous. No sweat for the new rig. I just said out loud, I said, I wonder if the owners will let us come up this way, because that's the harder way, and here he is. Hey, don't I know you from a video? We got out here trying to sweep the trails to see if anybody was still out here towards the end of our trail ride time. So Kevin had to give her the beans to get up here, so I missed that, but Huntley came up, spotted for him, and ultimately he made it up. Oh, I know where we're at. This is the first crawl we ever did at this property. We are at the closing ceremonies for the Saturday ride. Here they do dinner. Nice. Tonight I had steak and this really good grilled chicken from a restaurant across the way. They're going to do their raffles, which I think are underway as we speak. Michelle kind of gets on the mic and gives her thank yous to everyone that's helped put this event on and talks about, of course, the hospital that this is a fundraiser for. This is kind of the way they close this. Pretty much this closes out the event, except for Carrie and I will lead some rides tomorrow on a private property down here. We've made good friends with the owner probably 3 or 4 years ago, and it's worked out really good. So I'll show you guys a little footage here coming up next of our trail ride tomorrow. We don't know who's all coming. We heard about 20 vehicles coming out. I have no idea what kind of vehicle levels to expect. So we'll see. Yeah, Kevin says apparently they just announced us. They missed us.
That beautiful property.
Yeah, if any of you were out there when Roger got his Bronco stuck in the Jeep, stuck in the ditch, and had to get pulled out by the command chief. Oh, yeah,
JKU.
you pulled him out.
He's one of Huntley's buddies.
Anyway, he got pulled out by the Jeep. He said if anybody took pictures or video, and if any of those show up on Facebook, none of you are ever coming back.
Hey, I won't do Facebook, just YouTube video. We decided to start our morning out here in the field where we have our rock pile and some people are airing down. So my idea on the rock pile is we get to see who is here to get rowdy. And ran right over there first thing. Got it. All right, looks like we're ready to go. All right, we are at our first obstacle, a little washout down here and a little rock crawl here. The stuff is just very soft. Yeah, you're clearing everything. It just, as you can feel, it's just loose and going to take a lot to get up. Nice. You got to kind of get a little momentum going here and just keep it up the whole way going through.
That's definitely slick.
There's a little washer here that gets you all articulated out. It's pretty cool. Whoa! Looks like he's having fun.
My wife isn't.
Whoa, jeez! Wave high!
I'm trying, but I don't know what he's gonna do.
Jeep wave!
Holy shit!
I'm trying to learn the different ways she responds.
Yep. So from where you're at, I'm gonna have you go passenger just a little bit, and you're gonna go forward about 5 or 6 feet, and you're gonna cut hard pass, and you're cutting up that hill. As soon as your front end gets up on the hill, you gotta get on the gas to get up. There you go, throttle. Very nice. Yeet. Crawling it. Perfect. Nice. Yeah! Go! And the consequences is this is a drop off right here. Oh, that is steep and slick. I had the advantage of the fact nobody had run it yet.
Driver.
Like I say, push you that way, push you that way.
Line's right here. You're going everywhere else but that.
Might not have the ponies. Got that passenger tire to crest.
Little sweaty.
Hold up a second. Yeah, keep going. You're gonna start that climb all over again. Right there, just a hair passenger. Right there. Right there. Hold up. Yep, a little passenger. Little passenger. Right there. There you go. Real slow, come forward. There you go. Little bump. There you go. Nice try, Ben. There you go. Woohoo! Hold up. You needed a little bit more momentum before you felt that rock, okay? Because you want to roll into it and bump off that rock. Right there, go. Yep. All right, let out. There you go, nice job.
All right, batter up. You can kind of see where everyone's been putting that driver tire on that wall. Yeah, a little more driver. Yeah, hold that a little driver as you come forward. There, now straight and bump up the front, or bump up the back. Little momentum. There you go.
Alright, hey, we are done for the weekend. We finished our Sunday trail ride. Everybody had a great day. We're off the trail, aired up, and everybody's headed home. So, we just want to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. And